Yo, I am Eumonic. Hello, my friends. Go ahead and raise your hands if you are in a job that is just slightly soul-crushing. I don't want to get into details. I want to escape that environment. That's one of the reasons why I make music. So no gimmicks today, no frills, just straight lo-fi with a pineapple ukulele. Check, 1, 2, yo, yo, yo. One of the best things to do is just find stillness and listen to yourself and let out that wonderful thing inside of you. You know what it feels like, though. I'm no lo-fi expert. I was actually having a conversation with some other producers on the internet. I put like distortion on everything. I detune the piano, all the stereotypical things. There's not much high end, so it is low fidelity. It doesn't sound like your traditional lo-fi beats to study, relax to, whatever. I'm going to add one more sound, and we'll call it a rap. It appears that the lo-fi gods have blessed us with some rain. So we're going to sample it. Is this not the most amazing thing ever to happen to me while making a lo-fi beat with a ukulele? Actually, can I get an amen in the comments section? The soul has been restored through the power of music and sweet, fresh rain. I'll be good, y'all. Thanks for watching. I love you. Truthfully. It is time to venture out into the chaos and be brave and confident and take one step at a time.